Let me quickly walk you through on how to create column chart, all right, in PowerPoint with the help of Copilot that is integrated inside it. Just know that in some locations, this same column chart is referred to as bar charts. Let's just get right into it. We are going to apply two methods here, but all the two methods will lead us to the same result. So first is to launch a PowerPoint application. So I'll click on Start, click here and search for PowerPoint. As it shows up, I will click on it. Once you're on the Start page, select Blank Presentation. Alright, so let's say I want to plot my earnings for the online earnings for the month of March 2026 in column chart. So I'll click here and give it a title. Alright, so the title reads my March 2026 earnings. So I can reduce Textbox a little, okay, by dragging up. So my March 2026 earnings, that's beautiful. So I'll click inside here and have the data explaining those earnings for the month of March. All right, here's my data. YouTube has this, YouTube sponsorships 1,500, ebook sales this, but this is just for illustration purpose. Okay, so let me align everything towards the left. So I'll click on this, I'll select all the information here, click on this. All right, so everything is aligned left. All right, so let's now plot a chart based on this information here, and we're going to go for column charts as I said before. So I'll click on this slide for it to be selected. Then I'll click on this Copilot icon, which is inbuilt in every PowerPoint presentation software that is subscribed, all right, to Microsoft 365. So let me describe what I want in this case. Okay, look at what I want. I say represent the information on the slide in a column chart. Give the entire slide a professional look. So you can see that this slide is casual, kind of, but it's going to do a great job and represent the information in the column chart as well. So once you're done with entering your prompt, click on this send button. This has come up with some question asking us how we want the slide to look like. All right, when you finish creating the new slide and the chart. But here, let's keep for it to choose anyone that the face is okay. So give it time. As you can see, this has generated the chart and moved it inside the slide. Very professional. All right, based on your own, if you feel like you want to work further on this, you can do that. So for example, let's try and change this color. So anything you want it to change, just click on it. All right, then prompt it. So let's say we tell it to change the color, the first bar column to green, change the second one to, okay, the first one to red, change the second one to green, and leave the ebook the way it is. Let's prompt it. Look at the prompts. Change the first column to red color, second column to green color, and return the ebook sales color, which is this third column. All right, so feel free to prompt it in a simple way. Then after that, click on send. Here we are. This AI tool is very obedient. So it has done what we instructed it to do. So once you're good with what you have, you can save it inside your PC. Just click here, click on save as, select a location where you want to save it. Let's have it in the documents folder. In this case, let's call it column chart 1. Once you're done giving it a name, just click on save and the file is saved. All right, so let's think of another way, the second method we can use to do this without even entering any data on the slide. So I'll click on start, then I will select the PowerPoint presentation, then select blank presentation, and then I'll click on this Copilot tool here, and I will add my prompt immediately. So I don't need to enter anything here. And here is my prompt. It reads, create content in a slide showing the following earnings made from different sources in the month of March 2026. YouTube ads, $600. YouTube sponsorships, $1,500. Ebook sales, $400. All right, represent this information in a column chart. So once you're done with your prompt, just click on send. Here it has come up with a question asking us how we want it to be. All right, it presents us with some options. I can select one or skip as I did in the method one. But in this case, let's just try and select one. So let me go with this and then I'll scroll and click on confirm. Just give it time for it to generate it and add it here. And here we have our results. Everything is well structured professionally. We didn't enter anything on the slide, but it gave us something wonderful and professional. You can see the title here, March 2026 earnings by source. All right, so the first source here is YouTube ads, which is $600. The second source is YouTube sponsorships, which is $1,500. And the third source is ebook sales, which is $400. And you can see everything is summarized here in a more excellent way. And look at the split section here. It says YouTube contributes 2,100, which is 84%, while ebook contributed $400, which is 16%. So the summation of these and these, because all points to YouTube, is what gave us the $2,100 with 400 to make up $2,500. So always use this AI tool to make your work easier in your PowerPoint presentation software. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more in a well-detailed way, just like this tutorial. Okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. You can check out this video to get any of my books on information technology. Thank you and see you some other time.